How to delete stickers in Discord. Got outdated, unused, or just plain cringe stickers in your server? No worries, here is how you can quickly delete them and keep things tidy. Let's jump right in. First things first, open the Discord app or go to discord.com in your browser and log in. Once you are inside Discord, open your Discord server. Go to the server where the stickers are added. Make sure you have the manage emojis and sticker permission. Click on the server name in the top left corner, through server settings, then click stickers from the sidebar. Now, browse your list of uploaded stickers. Next to the sticker, click the cross icon to delete it. Discord may ask if you are sure, confirm, and the sticker will be gone for good. And that's how you delete stickers on Discord. Quick and simple. Keep your sticker list clean, fun, and up to date. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.